Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm really glad you're here. It's been a few years since I've shared my everyday life on YouTube, but I've missed it. I'm 40 now, my kids are a little bit older, and life just feels different. I'm very much in a stage of life where I'm figuring out who I am outside of just being a mom. This channel is going to be a space to share that journey, real life in this season, budgeting, routines, reading, planning, and simple resets like today's video. I'm starting with a Sunday reset to get my house back in order for the week ahead. If you're doing your own reset today or just watching for some motivation, I'm so glad to have you here. I always start in the living room or in the living area. I just wipe everything down, fluff pillows. This is a spot where everything lands between here and the dining room table. So I like just cleaning the surfaces, fluffing pillows, vacuuming the couch, and just making everything feel fresh. Even though I don't have messes anymore, like toys all over the house, we do have cats. They do leave little dust balls everywhere. So even though it may look like I'm cleaning a clean house, it really is dusty and dirty. So I'm just cleaning the regular everyday dirt that happens throughout the week.
It's a matter of time. Funny are the times we've had. Always made me feel kind of blue. I know. It all feels so good from a distance. I don't talk and you'll never listen. Trust me, it's as hard for me too. I know. My mind's out of balance. Heartbeats irregular. I had to make my own rules. Hearts beat, tears streaming down. I'm here, but already moving on. You care, then you'll kill it better. It's never gonna feel right. Maybe it's a matter of time. Maybe it's a matter of time. Maybe it's a matter of time. I don't know if I'm the one you want. Should I go, or should I leave this on? Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too. And just maybe I could take a little risk for you. Make my move. Oh, I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here with you. Oh, baby, I with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? Oh, what should I do? I want your body on my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I want is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? Lady, I'm never this shy. Wanna try to getting close to you.
Another thing I do every week is I take these blankets off the back of my couch. I have cats, like I said, they lay all over the couch. I just put these blankets back there. Those are the two spots they lay in, and right here where I'm taking this blanket from. So I end up just shaking these out. I wash the other ones. They don't really lay on this one as much, and that one's a pain in the butt to dry. So I wash that one every other week, and I wash the other ones every week. And then I vacuum all the hair off the couch.
Yeah, I do. I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? Oh, what should I do? I want your body on my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? You and me, just a walk in the park where the world fades and we're leaving our marks. They try to hold me down, tear me apart, but with you, baby, nothing seems so hard. They said I'd never make it, that I lost my spark, but your love, small compass, guiding me through the dark. Stumble and trip, yeah, I made a mess, but with you, every day's like this. Every step we take, we're turning the page. With you, I'm out of my cage, feeling all the rage. We used to talk, but now they stay.
The kitchen can be an overwhelming space if you don't do your dishes every day, if you don't have a husband that likes to do dishes like mine. I'm very fortunate that my husband is crazy about the dishes, whereas like I don't really care about a sink full of dishes. He totally does, so he'll just do dishes all the time. But we are very much a team at night after dinner and clean up every single night after dinner. So when it comes to doing our reset, all I have to do is take care of whatever's in the sink and just wipe down counters, wipe down cabinets if I need to, and do all of the basic things in the kitchen.
I'm not your prize, but with you, baby, I see through the lies. You don't try to change me, you let me be, and that's the kind of love that sets me free. Every step we take, we're turning the page. With you, I'm out of my cage, feeling all the rage. We used to talk, but now they stay quiet. 'Cause with you, I don't need to start a riot. You inspire me to
The dining room table is very much a catch-all spot, as you can see, definitely for laundry. I end up using half of the table to do laundry. Most nights, the kids don't even eat dinner at home, so I end up folding laundry on half of the table, usually my son's laundry, and then I have to wait for him to pick it up because while I shouldn't even be doing his laundry, it gets on my nerves if it sits in the washer or dryer. So, getting all that cleared up, clearing his laundry, picking my kitty up off the table, because if you have cats, you know that they just go where they want. If you don't want them on the table, too bad, they're going on it. So, just cleaning up the space so it can feel fresh again.
Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Can't see myself without you now, it's overdue. We try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story.
It wouldn't be a Sunday reset if I didn't vacuum my whole house because I never feel like my house is clean unless it is vacuumed and mopped. I didn't mop this day, but I did the next day. Because again, cats, if you know, you know. Hair is just everywhere, and I have multiple cats, so I have to vacuum every single day. But like I said, my house does not feel fresh unless it is vacuumed. So just getting all that done.
I wish you were here, we would probably be upstairs lying in my bed. I pet you on the back, we were talking, we would laugh, and you'd understand. You listen to all my problems, your eyes would say, don't you worry. Kiss me on the cheek to make sure I was fine. Well, I'm not right now, 'cause my mother never listens, and my dad's barely around, and I'm stuck in the middle all the time. And my brother's gone to college, so we don't talk like before. I wish you were here so I could tell you more, but you're not anymore. Walks in the park, telling secrets in the dark, trips to the beach. Basking in the sun was your favorite thing. I hope that you do it still. You listen to all my problems, your eyes would say, don't you worry. Kiss me on the cheek to make sure I was fine. But I'm not right now, 'cause my mother never listens,
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Getting back into filming again after a few years feels a little vulnerable, but it also feels right. If you're in your 40s and figuring things out again, what you need, what you want, what this next chapter may look like, I hope you'll stick around. I'll be sharing more resets, routines, and real life content every Thursday and Sunday, hopefully. If this resonates with you, I'd love if you stick around and subscribe. Take care of yourself this week, and I'll see you in the next one.